Hello again there, folks. Today we've got some carbide tipped turning tools that I ordered from Banggood. I'm located in Canada. It took about a month to get here. And let's open this up. They each came with the carbide tip that's required to use them. So it gives you an idea if you're gonna like this stuff. And gotta say, at around $50 versus $200 for, professional grade ones. It's a good way to start into the carbide tool arena and check it out and see if you like it. I've already tried some of other brands and I really enjoyed working with them. So we'll see what these ones are like. But in the meantime, let's just open some of these packages. Okay, first thing you'll notice is that they're well packaged individually in a nice hard plastic case. Also, the name of the tool is there with their various model numbers. It comes with little torque wrench that's required to add the carbide tip to. And once you open the bag, you find your tool. In my case, I ordered 1/2 inch for my AXA quick change tool posts. So you'll see here, support is well made. Yeah, it's just, there's nothing complicated to it. And so in any case, all the tools are like that. Let's unwrap them all. Okay, so I've unwrapped them all. You have 7 tools in this kit. Each one comes with a little wrench, and they're not all the same size wrench, so you truly need to keep track of these puppies. For example, if you look at this one versus this one, quite of a size difference. They're well marked. They're not coated in grease and whatnot. A very light film of oil to keep rust away. So that's well done. Here are the various tips for the tools. So it's a nice little case, so you can keep them organized for yourselves. Now, I haven't tried these yet, of course, and I will make a video showing you how good or bad they might be. But then again, of course, I'm a beginner, and it always depends on your skill level as to how badly you're going to screw these things up. But honestly, carbide tipped tools are really easy to work with, and they provide some pretty good finishes if you pay attention to your speeds and feeds. So there again, so this is your Banggood tools. Okay, I'll show you each one. In my view, this is a really worthwhile purchase. For 59 bucks, I mean, you can't go wrong. I mean, you can't even buy these little tips for that price here in North America. So give it a try, and you can let us know what you think.